Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Looking at SPY on the daily and weekly time frame. So an indecision day. This is a bearish reversal doji after a breakout, but have to sort of weigh the pros and the cons here for the bulls, because while it is a bearish reversal candlestick, it was on very low volume. We still held the upper Bollinger Band support by a couple pennies. Very, very low trading range. And really, can't really take it either way. We know to be looking in both directions. Today was a day. There were some individual names that had some clear trends to be playing. But in terms of direction of the overall market, I would have just been sitting on my hands and not looking to play SPY in either direction. So tomorrow, we're going to be watching. We're either going to get a new all-time high and affirm that the bulls are still in control, or we're going to break the low of 22 or 229.01, and then from back on Wednesday we had a key support of 228.80, and then there's a gap here at 228.08. So those are the three levels of support that I would be watching. We are on the verge of a bullish MACD cross on the daily time frame. Weekly still certainly favors the bulls, very small upper wick, and even if we were to see a bearish day tomorrow, still going to be a bullish candlestick unless we pull back very significantly. The bulls in full control on the weekly time frame, still in breakout mode above the upper Bollinger Band on the daily. Need to update that level. And we tested this 229.30 upper Bollinger Band dozens of times today. It almost seemed like it was a magnet for the price. Let's look at the 5-minute time frame. And a clear lower high, higher low pattern. And we got a bear break right here, another lower high, and then another lower low. So it was a clear bearish pattern throughout the morning into the afternoon. And then the bulls showed up at the second half of the day buying that dip. And the amount of times that we hit 229.30, it was just time and time again, no matter what happened, that's where we ended up. So the hourly time frame, the 20-period moving average, we lost it, then regained it, then lost it, and then closed right on it. So again, whenever I see a lot of action around a moving average with a lot of back and forth, I'll put a lot less weight into it. So tomorrow I'll note what the 20-period hourly moving average is, but it's not going to be the kind of thing where if you look at Facebook the past couple of days, the hourly 20-period moving average has held as support, I believe, 6 times. So we know that's a solid key support level, whereas for here with all this back and forth, this 20-period won't mean as much to me tomorrow because it wasn't as clear a signal today. So the bulls still in control. Again, we're watching 229.01, 228.80, and then the low of, or that gap, I should say, on the daily time frame of 228.08. So I appreciate you watching. Bulls still in control. Bears need to prove themselves with a pullback day tomorrow and a break of 229. We'll check back in over the weekend. Have a great night.